Video number 3. Why you should definitely get into the online t-shirt selling market today. Benefits. Teespring is all about selling t-shirts to generate profit. But if you don't know how it benefits you, here are the 10 benefits as to why you should go with Teespring. 1. Have an additional earning stream. Are you looking to get some extra income from other sources with less money and effort? Just set up a Teespring campaign to get huge success, to build your brand name and generate good profits. It is a chance for you to get more with less effort and make some extra money. Teespring can assist your business in becoming a best choice for your customers. You can also involve online marketing strategies such as Google AdWords, websites, social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and forums into your t-shirt campaign to boost your sales and income. 2. Make money with less effort. Every business takes a lot of effort to become successful. If you choose Teespring, you don't need to put additional efforts in order to make your campaign successful. You don't need to manufacture the t-shirts. With Teespring, you can design your own personalized t-shirts within a few minutes by following the simple steps and without any inconvenience. Here, you are your own boss. You only need to focus on t-shirt advertising to get more customers and profits. There is no upfront cost, and you can start with a little bit of money. 3. Sell as your own brand. Are you getting frustrated by your job or looking for extra income? Just start your own t-shirt business online in a popular Teespring niche and sell t-shirts with your brand name and become your own boss. T-shirts are the most pervasive apparel for everyone. Just become an affiliate of Teespring. Research your prospective buyers, look for a desired t-shirt design, and set up a campaign with a URL and brand name. After completing the process, you can launch t-shirts and advertise the t-shirt campaign online with social media, search engine optimization, and other internet marketing tactics under your brand name. 4. Limitless earning potential. With Teespring, you can generate good profit. It allows you to sell with your brand name as your own product. To boost your earnings with a Teespring campaign, you can advertise with different types of online marketing strategies and joint ventures. You can take advantage of social media networks, email marketing, affiliate marketing, joint ventures, and Google AdWords, etc. You also have PLR, private label rights, so that you can sell it as your own product. If you want to earn more with Teespring, you can repeat the ordering process until you want to run your own t-shirt campaign. 5. No time or seasonal constraints. In the apparel business, when the season changes, every marketer needs to get some fresh clothes because of the climate change. Most of apparel becomes out of fashion after a certain time, but Teespring allows you to design t-shirts that are absolutely profitable. T-shirts are always in fashion during each season. They make people feel free and comfortable. So you don't have to worry about fashion with Teespring because people like wearing a t-shirt every day, whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. Seasons do not affect your Teespring t-shirt business. 6. No startup cost. T-shirts are the most pervasive apparel for everyone. Before designing t-shirts, you need to find potential customers. Based on your business prospects, you then design t-shirts and start promoting them on your Facebook fan page and other social media without any upfront cost. Teespring is an entirely zero-expense way to create customized, attractive t-shirts, which is why marketers move into the t-shirt business with minimal risk, because they ship the t-shirts directly to the buyers. 7. Time saving. With Teespring, you don't have to be a manufacturer or hire a specialized artist to draft your t-shirt. Teespring makes it really easy to design customized apparel without having experience in designing. It saves you time because you're not the one manufacturing. You just need to choose a t-shirt, update the color, images, and text that you want, and order the t-shirt. This can be done within a few minutes. You can use the time saved for promoting your t-shirts. 8. No handling and transportation worries. With other apparel businesses, there is always a need for a person to supervise work and make sure that the product is managed properly and delivered to the destination. Teespring does these things for you, so you don't need to have an eye on anything. They are great in handling and delivering the product. Only you need to be specific with your work and design great selling t-shirts. 9. No efforts required to process orders. When purchasing anything, businesses need to track the product status all the time. But in the case of Teespring, you don't need to process orders or keep records. Just pick a design, add text and graphics, set funding goals, describe your product, and launch your t-shirt campaign. When the t-shirt is ordered, the company checks on printing and works on the transportation details to initiate the delivery process. After completing the process, t-shirts are delivered to the buyers, and you get your profit. You can continue this process if you want to sell more. 10. Don't need to offer customer service. Every business needs a customer support system to handle customer queries, feedback, reviews, and testimonies. If you do it by yourself, it can be too time-consuming. If you hire someone, it costs you money. Teespring campaigns assist you with customer support and FAQs. Within the FAQs, customers can find their answers. But if it's not answered there, they can contact them for their issues. Teespring FAQs have the information related to order tracking, shipping, info of buyers and sellers. And for other questions, they respond within 1 business day. Shocking facts. The U.S. apparel market is the largest in the world, comprising about 28% of the global total and has a market value of about $331 billion US. The online original design t-shirt sales industry has experienced exceptional growth of almost 25% annually over the last 5 years, with custom designed t-shirt sales exceeding $68 million. Over 2 billion shirts are sold each year, and with an average price of $20, that's $40 billion in sales. 62% of Americans claim they own more than 10 t-shirts and will continue to buy more. 600% is the average appreciation in the price of a t-shirt by the time it reaches first world buyers in love with American or European tags. Teespring.com reaches over 714,000 U.S. people monthly. Teespring's annual revenue now tops $100 million. Revenue that is generated by only t-shirt sales is $262 million. The annual growth of t-shirt sales is 21.2%. Teespring, one of the top t-shirt sellers in the U.S., printed more than 7 million shirts last year.